Vital Signs form in Welford chart notes. The Vital Signs form lets you record the patient's vital signs and other initial information on a handy form which can then be placed into the document. There are several different ways to open the Vital Signs form. You can press the Vital Signs form toolbar button or type @form vital signs in your document or include it in a template, or press View Forms Vital Signs. Throughout the Vital Signs form, if you double-click on a box, it fills in the default value. So for example, if we double-click on the temperature box, it fills in 98.6. You can choose whether to enter it in Celsius or Fahrenheit, and the program automatically converts to the other units of measure as you change the value. You can use the spin buttons to change the value up or down, or just type in a number directly. Specify the location on the body where the temperature was taken. You can record the pulse supine, sitting, or standing. If you routinely only record the pulse sitting, you can remove the other lines from the form using your options. Choose a description of the pulse from the drop-down list. Choose a blank space if you want nothing there, or type in something directly. You can have up to 6 blood pressure readings on each patient, representing different arms, different positions, and different size cuffs. If you routinely only record blood pressure in the sitting position, you can adjust your options so that there are only 2 lines of blood pressure on the form. You can enter an optional comment here. And the chief complaint here. Enter the respiratory rate here, and an optional description of the respiratory pattern. Enter the height here, and again you can choose to enter it in inches, centimeters, or feet and inches. And enter the weight here. The program automatically calculates the BMI and whether the patient is overweight. You can enter the head circumference here, and whether the patient is a smoker here. You can also document that the patient was given smoking cessation counseling, which counts toward meaningful use. You can enter the pain level from 0 to 10 in this box, and the waist circumference here. Click the Clear button to remove all of the data on the screen and start over. Do this with care. Click the Number button to open a numeric keypad which you can use for entering data using your mouse. Click the Options button to adjust the performance of the Vital Signs form. This is shown in another video. Check Send to Writer to send all of this information into the writer at the current cursor position. Check Store in Lab Book to store all of this information into the lab book without parsing it from the writer. Click OK now to send this information to the writer at the current cursor position. And that's how to use the Vital Signs form in Welford chart notes. For more information, visit us at emirj.com.